How to link Payoneer to Redbubble. Follow my instructions. If you're selling designs on Redbubble, you need a way to receive your earnings. Redbubble allows payouts through Payoneer, which is fast and secure. Let's go through the setup step by step. First, log into your Redbubble account from a browser. Click on your profile picture and open account settings. Now go to the section called Payment Details. From the payout options, select Payoneer click. Connect if you already have an account. You'll be redirected to the Payoneer login page, enter your Payoneer username and password, approve the connection request so Redbubble can send payments. After approval, you'll return back to Redbubble automatically. If you don't yet have a Payoneer account, click Sign Up. Fill out your personal and banking details to create one. Then verify your identity to activate the account. Once setup is complete, Redbubble will send future payouts to Payoneer. From there, you can withdraw to your bank or use the Payoneer card. This makes receiving payments easy, fast, and global. And that's it. You've linked Payoneer to Redbubble successfully. Thanks for watching.